Yo, what is going on, my Sazon Moto family? I'm over here in Daytona Beach. Look at all these bikes. This is wonderful. This is what it's all about when it comes to the bike community. We're just all hanging out, having a good time. Go ahead, brother. All right. Let the people through. And there goes my peoples over there. Yeah, this is wonderful. Look at all these bikers just kind of all hanging out. One big tight community, just kind of chilling. But yeah, we got JT on the GSXR 1000, the 05 model. And we got his boy, but he's on the 87 Suzuki GSXR. This thing is in mint condition. It keeps up. The thing keeps up, definitely. I haven't actually seen a GSXR like this up close and personal before. Seen them passing through, but never ever seen it like this. But yeah, check out the community. Look at this. This is wonderful. Look at all the people behind, up front. This is one tight community, which is dope. People from all over the place come to Daytona just to come out and check this place out. Like, this is dope. Look at all these people. People are having a good time. You got all kinds of foods, restaurants, merchandise. You want it, you got it. Bikes and more bikes. Look at all these bikes. Check it out. Of course, you know, patrolled heavy by police officers to make sure everyone stays in line. This is dope. But yeah, this is a very tight community. This is pretty dope. Everyone is just kind of hanging out, chilling, checking out bikes. More people are pulling in, and right now it's 8:40 at night, and yeah, people are still coming in. So I'm not sure till what time this place runs till. I rode out from St. Cloud to JT's house, and then from JT's house we went over to his boy's house, and then we took all the back roads. So you're on camera. Yeah, you're on camera. Oh. He got it. Yeah. Oh man, this is wonderful. I haven't been to Daytona in a very, very long time. Especially, I mean, I'm being extra careful. I got my mask with me just in case. You know, I just want to just kind of hang out and chill. I guess we're going to take a little parking spot and just kind of chill out. And that is it. We are here. We have made it to Daytona. Look at all these bikes. Just wonderful. But check out this beautiful view. Look at all these bikes. Just keep coming in. And then we're checking out all the restaurants and all this merchandise. We got sick boy motorcycles over in the corner. We have all these different bikes from Harley Davidson's, sports bikes, 600s, 1000, Hayabusas, everything. We have it all here. Oh man, this lady is doing the most right now. Please don't hit my bike. Please don't hit my bike. I'll be mad she hit my bike, boy. Alright, so we're getting kicked out of this location. Police officer said we can't park here, so we're gonna have to go somewhere else, unfortunately. So yeah. Yeah, look at the police officer kicking us out. Stalled. Like a dummy, I just stalled. What a noob. Oh, that's something I haven't done in a long time. How do you stall on a brand new bike? User error. Oh, that was dope. 11 years old. So started since I was 11 years old. I started this a long time ago. Pretty dope, yeah. See, friendly community, like I said, friendly community. JT, attorney at law.
Don't you call the wrong attorney, so go ahead and make that call.
JT, attorney at law. And then he has Brutus as the secretary. Watch out for these two. They are dangerous. She feels lazy right now. She's like, no, I don't want to ride no more.
Yeah, it's time to go home, man.
Yeah.
It's time to go home.
Yeah, it's time to, yeah.
All right, bro.
All right, my man. Ha ha ha!